Can you see yourself in the 2017 Lincoln MKZ? This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's a powerful, refined MKZ that has everything you need to make your daily drive feel exceptionally comfortable and secure. From its refined cabin to its premium audio system to its driver assist technology, this four-door sedan infuses every journey with confidence and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel relaxed and ready for whatever the journey has in store when you're behind the wheel of this stunning MKZ. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.